The water levels of Yamuna have yet again become a cause of concern, not only for the people of Delhi but also for the authorities out here in the national capital and as well in the national capital region. Late last night, the water levels of Yamuna had crossed the danger level mark, which means that it was above the danger level, that is 205.33 meters, and was flowing at around 205.39 meters, which was approximately 0.6 meters atop of the danger level. But this morning, to the relief of people and administration, the water level has resided, and at 8 a.m. this morning, the water level was at around 205.14 meters. The biggest reason of this yet again increase in the water levels of the Yamuna river is said to be the water that has been released from the Hatnikund dam because of due to the flooding that we are seeing that is happening in higher trenches of Himalaya, be it in Himachal Pradesh or in Uttarakhand. Now, since there is heavy rainfalls and landslides that are happening out there, the water is flowing to the plains, and hence the water level of Yamuna is increasing and decreasing depending upon the rainfall that is happening in the upper trenches of Himalayas, that is in Himachal and Uttarakhand. But yes, at this point the water level is below the danger level mark. But yes, the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that over the next few days an red alert has been issued in Uttarakhand and Himachal, which means that since there will be rainfall, the water level could increase yet again. But yes, till this point there is no need to panic is what administration is telling in, and this is the message that they are trying to propagate amongst the people. The people who are living in low-lying areas near the Yamuna, they still haven't been vacated. The old Loha Pul at the place from which I am reporting at this point, that Loha Pul has still not been stopped at this point. The trains that are running on these bridges have also been working, and the movement of trains have not been affected. So yes, at this point the situation is under control. Over the next few days we are expecting that the water level would rise, but the water level would not rise to a level that could actually create panic and havoc as what we saw a few weeks back when the entire national capital, especially the northern districts and the parts that were very close to the Yamuna river, that were flooded. That kind of situation does not seem to be happening at this point. But yes, who knows what happens with nature, and if at all there is heavy rainfall that happens in parts of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, then we can yet again expect the water levels of Yamuna to increase, which would eventually mean that the kind of havoc that we saw happening not only in the national capital but also in national capital region, be it in parts of Ghaziabad or Haryana, that kind of situation could arise again. But yes, at this point, and according to the predictions that has been made by the Indian Meteorological Department, it doesn't seem like that is going to happen anytime soon.